Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to fix the issue if your people nearby in Telegram is not showing. If that feature is not being shown on your Telegram, we can try out some methods in order to fix it. So let's just get started. So go to your phone settings for that, open it up. And once you open up your phone settings, you can go over, scroll down and find the option for apps and tap on it. After you tap on apps, you can select the option for Telegram. Scroll down, find Telegram, and once you find Telegram, tap on it, and you can go to the option of permissions. And from there, go over and select the option for location. This option right here. And if you have this option turned off, you can select the option of allow all the time, the first option right here, and it will give the GPS accuracy. And that's it. Now, what you can do is you can start by opening up a Telegram app. You can close this up, open up your Telegram application on your device first. So go over and tap on Telegram, open it up, and you can go to the menu in the top left corner and tap on it. And from there, you can just go over and look out for the option of people nearby if you have that option available, and select the option of making yourself visible. And if it says you're hidden, you won't be seeing anyone. Sometimes there are no Simply Telegram users around you who have enabled the same features. So if you still can't see anyone, what you can do is you can try clearing cache or updating Telegram to the latest version. You can head over and hold Telegram, go to the info section at the top, and from there go to storage. And from storage, you can tap on clear cache and do so, or you can also try updating the Telegram application to the latest version, and that should probably work out for you. And that's it. So therefore, these are some of the methods you can follow up if you want to do so. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.